As we approach 2025, financial markets are expected to remain highly dynamic due to global economic changes, technological advancements, and the influence of large institutional investors. The smart money concept, or SMC, will continue to be one of the most effective trading strategies because of its reliance on reliable market data and strategic insights. In 2025, markets like stocks, cryptocurrency, and forex will remain highly volatile. SMC helps traders identify liquidity zones, enabling them to navigate price fluctuations with confidence. Large players such as banks and institutional investors will continue to drive market trends. SMC allows traders to follow their movements instead of relying on emotions or unreliable information. SMC focuses on understanding market structure and liquidity flow, helping traders minimize risks. It provides clear entry and exit points based on proven strategies, not random guesses. With the rise of new technologies and data analysis tools, SMC ensures decisions are based on deep market understanding. Techniques like liquidity zones, order blocks, and inducements help pinpoint where institutional money is concentrated. By 2025, technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning will enhance SMC implementation. These tools allow traders to analyze market trends faster and more accurately, keeping them ahead in competitive markets. SMC is particularly effective for high-speed markets like cryptocurrency and forex, where significant profits can be achieved by tracking institutional activities. It enables traders to seize opportunities quickly in volatile conditions. SMC is not just a trading strategy, but also a tool for developing a deeper understanding of financial markets. By 2025, traders who use SMC will gain valuable expertise, enabling them to make better long-term decisions. In 2025, the smart money concept strategy will remain a crucial tool for traders and investors. It offers the ability to trade confidently, understand market dynamics, and reduce risks. With technological advancements, SMC will become even more effective, helping traders maximize their returns across all financial markets. Adopting SMC is a step toward building a smarter, more profitable future in trading.